Over the next few minutes, we'll show you how to use the Lysaght MyAccount online ordering portal. We'll walk you through how to get access to your personal online account, how to browse through our extensive product range, how to add products to your cart and detail your specific requirements, how to specify custom flashings or choose from our standard range, and finally, how to save or submit your order with just one click. To get started, you will need to get your personal logins. Your Lysaght account manager will provide these to you. To access the site, just enter your email address and password. Once you're in the site, you're ready to start. You can start a new order, look at your order history, and even access a previous order to use again. The Lysaght MyAccount portal even allows you to export your orders for use in your accounting package. To start a new order, go to the top menu and click on Orders and select Create New Order. First off, simply enter the details as prompted on the screen. Provide your order reference to tie in with your system. Choose your delivery type, to site, your store address, or whether you will pick up from our site. If the order is being delivered to site, fill in the location and contact details and the preferred delivery date. You can also request a time drop. We will confirm our ability to meet your schedule on confirmation of your order. If you have any specific instructions, enter them into the delivery notes field. If you want to pre-select your color choice, you can check the single color order box here. You can also attach any maps or drawings that are needed for your order delivery. Once this essential information is entered, you can begin your order. Our user-friendly product section lets you search for and choose products in a number of different ways. You can search for specific products using the search field, look through your most frequent product purchases by using the drop-down menu, or use our product group drop-down menus to quickly find the exact product you're looking for. Once you've found the product you want, click the Add To button to display the configuration window. Select the gauge from the drop-down, select the finish, and then select the color. If you've pre-selected your color, this will already be selected for you. Then select the quantities and lengths. Check the details and press the Add to My Order button to add this product to your order. Simply repeat until you've selected all the product you want to order. For fast order entry, change the layout of the screen to line details by clicking on the icon on the top right. Enter the details of the product in the filter field. You can even enter the Lysaght product code. Select the correct product from the list and enter the quantity and length. Then, click or press Enter to add to your order. Repeat until you've entered all of the products you want to order. The system even allows you to specify and order your own custom flashings. Simply click the Create Flashing link. In the new window, a blank template is pre-selected for you. Alternatively, you can search from your existing flashings templates and then click Next. Click on the drawing pad to mark the starting point of your flashing profile and then mark out the approximate shape of your profile with more clicks. Once you've got the rough shape laid out, select the corners and using the on-screen dimensions, move the corners to the exact dimensions you're after. When you're happy with the profile, select the gauge, finish, and color. Next, enter the reference name of the flashing, add the crush or squash fold detail if required. Confirm that the color side indicated is correct by ticking the checkbox. Finally, add your quantities and length. To save this flashing as a new template, click Save, or you can just click the Add to Order button. When you're happy with your order, click on Checkout on the top menu. Review and check your order, the products, specifications, quantities and pricing. And also, make sure all the contact and delivery details are correct. Lysaght MyAccount will suggest products that go with the others you have selected to help you ensure you have everything you need. You can even print this purchase order to use as a quote document from Lysaght if you wish. Keep in mind that the Lysaght online portal does not include a freight calculation. This will be confirmed once your order is received. Once you've checked all the details, click on Submit Your Order. You'll receive a confirmation email to let you know your order has been accepted and is being processed. Lysaght MyAccount can be used on your PC, laptop, tablet, or even your mobile phone, enabling you to place orders whenever and wherever is convenient.